Hello and welcome to the inner circle of the Wellness Clinic. I'm so happy to have you guys here. It really means a lot that you want to learn from me. And you know what? We're going to be learning together because self care is something that I have always found difficult. As a mom, as an entrepreneur, as a busy woman in the modern world, there are definitely areas that I let fall quite often. I'm just immediately thinking about going to sleep with my makeup on, which is a big no no, but it's something I do almost every night. Um, so, what we're going to be doing is learning together, setting self care challenges once a month where we actively work on healing our relationship with our bodies. And this is something I've come into in the last 7 months or so. And I find I'm being so much kinder to myself. I'm not berating my body for how it looks anymore. I'm appreciating it for what it does. I'm not looking in the mirror saying all these awful negative things anymore. And this is something I've actively worked towards for about 7 or 8 months now. So I want to share all those exercises with you and all those kind of mindset shifts as well. We're going to be actively learning in our monthly Zooms. We're going to have slides and presentations and PDF notes. We also have a space for discussion and Q&As, and we can continue all the discussion as well on my website. I've just created a new members only page. You'll be sent out the password for that. And in the comments there is where I invite you to post how you're getting on. It's unfortunately it's only text, it's not for photos. I might look into creating a space where we can also share pictures because I think that would be really beneficial as well. But for now, we can talk about how we're getting on with the self care challenges, what we're learning, how we're putting it into practice every day, and keep the support and motivation going in between our monthly Zooms as well. So that's my vision, and I'm going to be doing it all alongside you as well. It's a constant work in progress. I'm undoing 45 years of programming, negative programming towards my body and towards myself through a very, the 80s and 90s. It was a tough time for us in terms of body image. So I'm constantly working on it, but I'm definitely able to share some of the positive steps I have moved through, and I hope you will enjoy them too. So thank you. And you may tell your friends, you may invite your friends for now. I envision that in the future, I don't know when yet, but I'm looking at doing kind of different paid access schemes, like a membership where you'd pay monthly for access to me and to what I'm teaching. But for now, this is all free. So if you're in now and you're one of my core early group, this level of access will always remain free to you. So it's a good time to spread the word and get some people in. Thanks a mil, and I will catch you at our next meetup.